Rajasthan District Court exams exercise 39 at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. It is a great pleasure for me to be among you today. Full stop. I welcome you to Rashtrapati Bhavan and congratulate you on being successful in such a tough and competitive exam. Full stop. You have chosen a very noble profession, full stop. Forests have always been special to Indian ethos and culture, full stop. Our civilization has derived its intellectual and spiritual strength from forests. These forests, therefore, are not merely a resource, but they also cover the cultural, spiritual, and intellectual heritage of the country. Full stop para. As you are aware, India has emerged as a global leader in handling complex climate change issues. Full stop. Our national forest policy envisages 33% of the land mass should be under forest cover. Full stop. You have to find ways and means to enrich the natural forests and facilitate bringing non-forest areas under tree cover. Full stop. Forests are a potential carbon sink. They could help us reduce greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and the threat of global warming. Full stop. Our country has set a target to sequester an additional 2.5 to 3 billion tons of carbon in our forests by 2030. Stop para. Forests can also help fight the adverse impact of climate change. Full stop. Mangrove forests protect coastal areas from cyclones and tsunamis. Forests on the hill slopes protect the soil and prevent landslides and flash floods. Healthy watersheds having good forest cover insulate areas from droughts and increase agricultural productivity. Millions of very poor people, including tribals, live and around the forests of our country. We need to be sensitive to their basic requirements of food, fodder, and such small needs. Full stop. These are simple and hardworking people and look up to you for guidance and reassurance. Full stop. Please treat them as your partners in management and not as intruders. Full stop para. Our country has adopted the joint forest management model, which is based on the care and share principle. Full stop. It envisages a participatory approach involving local people and communities in the management of forests. Full stop. You just cannot accomplish the task entrusted to you without involving these people and communities. You have joined a public service and are the nation's soldiers in an important area of environmental and ecological conservation. Full stop. Discharge your duties fairly, without fear, with honesty, and in a way that your actions benefit the nation and common citizens as a whole. Full stop. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world, and we have set ourselves stiff targets. You have to strike a balance between conservation needs and development requirements. Your job is not to pose problems but to provide solutions. Full stop. Forestry is a challenging profession. It was an exclusive domain of men till recent times, but thankfully that has changed. Full stop. It is heartening that more and more lady officers are opting to join the Indian Forest Service. Stop.